guidance, Quran, Seerah and Hadith. All these three guidance, they provide us parameters, benchmarks, guidelines, outlines, so that we can live our life according to this guideline. You know, our deen is not static, stagnant or jamid. Our deen, our religion is progressive. Progressive in a sense that our religion, our deen will be relevant to its time. And dynamic, that is not stagnant, static, jamid, so that you don't have to live in past. You can live according to Quran and Seerah and Hadith in your time. In your time. And best of the example as a case study is the model of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. And I'll share with you, see how Quran guides, when Quran gives its nur, basira to somebody, that how you can live according to Quran, according to Seerah, according to the Hadith in your time. Three things I will share with you from the time of Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. You know, in the time of Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, you remember there was a drought. And in Surah Maida, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned that if somebody is a thief, then the punishment is to chop their hand. This is the punishment mentioned in Quran, Surah Al-Maida. Hazrat Umar, in his time when there was a drought, he suspended the nas, command, order of Quran, because he said, in the time of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when there is a prosperity in Muslim society, when you have fulfilled the needs of everybody, only then you can apply that hukm of Sharia. So now in the time of drought, the Islamic State cannot fulfill that responsibility, so that Sharia hukum is suspended. In that time of Prophet ﷺ, justice was to cut the hand. But the justice in the time of Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu was to suspend that punishment. Talif-e-Qalb, Surah Tawbah, Allah has commanded 8 sections where you can use your zakah. One of them is Talif-e-Qalb, that you can even give zakat to a non-Muslim to encourage them, to bring some softness in their heart. In the time of Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala, no, he said, no, this Talif-e-Qalb was when Islam was weak, when Islam was in its early time, but now Islam is strong and there is no need for Talif-e-Qalb. So he suspended one of the sections. The Quran gives permission to use. That doesn't mean it was suspended in the time of Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala, so it will stay suspended all the time. No. When the time will come again, that there is a need of Talif-e-Qalb and Muslims are weak, we can again go to the same ruling of Quran. Third thing, when all this area of Syria and Iraq was conquered by Muslims, in Surah Anfal, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us detail. Whatever you will capture in the war, how it will be distributed. 80% of that goes to the people who were participants of the war. When this whole land was conquered, Syria and Iraq, all the soldiers, they came to Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, that we are entitled to have all that land because we were the soldiers, we were the one fighting. Hazrat Umar says, no, that order of Quran is not relevant anymore, because if I will do that, that means this whole money will stay in few hands, which is the very much against the economy policy of Islam. Islam wants everybody to prosper, not just one community, not 1% of the people, not only privileged people, but rather every person who lives in Muslim community should benefit when Islamic government is in prosperity. Look at the wisdom of Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that how he used the guidance of Quran, but in his time he was able to change whatever is the need of the time, my brothers and my sisters.